This is a 2-scoop order for Roxy. She requested Moppu, Keroppi, and Pochacco. She doesn't want any bricks, bracelets, or beaded charms. One canvas bag. One file folder. Plus one more. Two notebooks, because I swapped out a brick bead. Plus one more. Four pens. Plus two more. Four mini notebooks, because I swapped out two more brick beads. Plus two more. One washi tape. Plus two more. One tape. One memo pad. Plus three more. Two sticky notes. Plus five more. Two stickers. Plus three more. One scenery sticker. Plus two more. One wallet. One plush keychain. Three headbands. I don't have a preferred character, so let's go with this bear, this plush pencil bag, and this cute little Keroppi. Oopsies, missed these two wallet beads. One pencil case. 1 mirror, 1 comb, 1 claw clip, plus 2 more. One Uno cards, but I swapped it out for this Keroppi hand towel. One hair clip. I don't have a preferred character, so I swapped it out for this card holder. 2 beaded charms. Swapped it out for this keychain and this plush keychain. One plush charm. Let's make it 3. Two mini charms. Plus 2 more. 1 acrylic clip. Plus 5 more. Okay, Roxy, that's everything for your order. I really hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.